Hello and welcome back to the second part of the pharmaceutical industry status in India and the world. So, in the first part, we have seen the number of exports and the percentage of exports in the billions dollars, and then how where does the India stands in terms of its pharmaceutical market. So now we will see in detail about the other countries, where in the eighth number is the UK is the $21 billion, and the ninth number comes our India, where it stands at $17.8 billion in 3.9%. This is the 21 data. So so here you can see the India stands at 9 number. So how a government and if the government and other private companies are evolving, and if they are increasing from time to time, so what are the opportunities, what are the possibilities we will have to grow in the pharmaceutical field, the number of jobs it will be created. So there are lots and lots of chances for the India and for its people to grow in the pharmaceutical field. Only 3.9 India exports only 3.9% of the world to the world. So in the 10th number is Denmark 16.1%, and then the Netherlands 15.9, and the Slovenia $14 billion. Spain is the $11.6 billion, and then the Canada is the $9.7 billion. So now the major FDI sources, foreign direct investment sources in the India. UK invest a lot, and then the USA, Japan, Spain, France, Germany. These country companies invest a lot in the India, and where it comes to the pharmaceutical sector. Market side current and the future. The market side currently it is $41 billion, means it comprises of all the pharmaceutical fields and the medical devices, medical instruments, and whatever herbal products. $41 billion, and size by 2030 it is estimated to grow at $130 billion. So you can imagine the transition between $41 billion to $130 billion in just in over a decade, almost the three times. So we can have lot of jobs openings, and we can have lot of business opportunities. We can grow a lot of in our salary. So this is the opportunity in the pharmaceutical field. Foreign direct investment in the within a span of 2 decades, we can see $18 billion has been spent in the India. This is a huge number where it compares to the pharma field. Now the medical devices. Sorry. Now comes the medical devices. So there is a medical devices. We stands at the fourth number, largest market in Asia, and $11 billion current market size. So you can see the medical devices stands along with the pharmaceutical dosage forms. I mean pharmaceutical medicines. We have also a huge market and huge opportunities in the medical devices. 9 to 11% of compound annual growth rate of for the pharmaceutical medical devices, and the market size by 2025 it is estimated to grow at $50 billion. You imagine the shift. After Japan, China, and South Korea, we are in the fourth number, including implants, consumable medical electronics. Over the period of 5 years, will grow in this way, and then poised to be the leader in medical devices. We will grow, means we will grow in such a way that we will be leader, means we will be in the number one. We will outnumber the Japan, China, and South Korea. Trade scenario: imports $5.8 billion, whereas export is $2.2 billion. This is also a huge number for the medical devices. Now comes the important part, where is the opportunities. Diagnostics. Rapid diagnostic to reach $1.23 billion by 2024, growing at a CAGR 10.81%. This is a very huge number. Exports, consumables, and disposal count for 50% of total export. Total exporting category. Startup ecosystem. The startups, small startups are starting in huge numbers. So, and we can expect a lot. We can expect a lot to come in the coming time. 5,000 plus health tech startups, $2 billion is between 11 to 20, and 500 investment into the 340 plus companies. Medical tourism, 22 to 25% of growth in medical tourism expected to contribute $1.52 billion by 2029. This is a huge number of growth. Now, what are the key takeaways in from this presentation? Key takeaways: millions of job opportunity. As we see, the market is grow. Yes, the market is growing, and market will grow in the coming time. The jobs will be open, and the millions of jobs will be created. Evergreen sector, as we know, the number of problems or the number of diseases will not be cured, and time to time it is evolving with the industrialization or evolving in the globalization. So always there will be a demand in the medicines, always evolving. Already I have mentioned government back sector. Government is always backing this sector. Government is always helping this sector. It is giving time to time subsidy, or it is giving time to time free lands for the pharmaceutical industry, and making a special corridor, a special economic zones for the pharmaceutical field. We have many pharma parks in the Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and in the Visakhapatnam. So these pharma parks helps a lot in the growth of pharma field. Good business opportunities: as the jobs will increase, business will be increasing, or vice versa. Business will increase, jobs will increase. In the terms of medical devices or pharma drugs or pharma fields, extensive R&D and learning. The government is also giving a boost to the R&D sectors for the pharma field. Thank you.